Look what I found,
Cappy,
it's the shiniest, most magical looking seed I have ever seen in my whole life.
wow!
It grew fast and hums happily. Let's water it so it keeps singing for us. That tall stem looks like the perfect slide. I'll climb up and whoosh all the way down. We'll build you a better slide with mud and water while keeping the flower safe and sound. This mud slide is so fun! Now we can all play while listening to the flowers.